Hello friends, it's Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design for the Button Farm Club, and it is time for us to create our fourth quarter folio for the Year With My Gnomies through the year kit. And this is a fun one. This is October, November, December. So all those great end of the year holidays that we all love so much. So here is what comes in your kit. You're going to receive 2 sheets of the Photoplay October cards paper. You're going to receive 2 sheets of the October Photoplay icons. Look at those great patterns. And then you're going to get a sheet of Halloween Magic. Then for November, you're going to get the 2 sheets of the cards, the 2 sheets of the icons. Look at this great plaid. And you're going to get Photoplay Thankful. Then for December, you're going to get 2 sheets of, whoops, let me flip this one around, so cute, the cards paper, 2 sheets of the icons, bright and cheery Christmas papers and all these cute gnomes doing their shopping. And then you're going to get 2 sheets of Gracias, this bright cheery green. You will also have, from last month, you'll need your October, November, December sticker elements. And then you will get 6 sheets of white cardstock, 12 by 12. And you will get 3 sheets of grocery bag cardstock. And then we're going to get a length of 2 yards of yellow baker's twine. And then these cute little embellishments. You're going to get these sweet buttons that we've been using all year long. And look at these sweet little charms. We have an acorn, a pumpkin, and Let It Snow. Super cute. So this is the last folio to go in our box that we made way back in November of last year. I can't believe we've made it all the way through. I'm going to go ahead and come in and show you the finished folio. Okay guys, I finished it. Look at this. Here's our little box with all 4 of our folios in it. So sweet. We've got winter, spring, summer, and fall. Let's take a look at this finished fall folio. This one is really fun. Here on the cover, we've got Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas. And we've used this wonderful plaid that kind of ties them all together. On the spine, we've got our cute little pumpkin, acorn, and Let It Snow charm, as well as our colorful wooden buttons. And here's a look at the back. We have a string closure. We'll open this up, and here is October. This is a fantastic flip and pull out page. We've got little mini folios inside here. Cute little goblin tag, and this opens all the way like this. You can see all these great interactive flips and flaps and tip-ins, and then it opens all the way. It's hard to even get it all in the frame, like this, with flap pages like this, flip up pages, little tip-ins, flip downs, and then we come back to the front. And I used a paper clip from my stash just to kind of hold everything together. So open this out. Let me move our box. And that brings us to November, which is what I call a flip-flap folio. These are so fun to make, and they have a lot of unexpected little surprises. There's a pocket on the front with some cute little elements tucked in. He's probably my favorite this time with his little acorn hat. It's too cute. Another paper clip here. So this page flaps to the left, and you've got a little tip in here. This is on the right, and you've got a nice fold out with room for big photos, and this opens out. You've got another little tip in here. You've got a pocket with more elements in here. This lifts up, and then you've got room here to add journaling. You've got a little flap with a hidden journaling folio here, and then this flips down, so you've got room for photo here. So you've got room for some really nice size photos in this little flip flap. element. Plus it's fun to open and close. In the center, we've got our December box pocket. This one has a little 5.5 inch folio with pockets and photo mats in a hidden pocket. Tags, so cute, our little Christmas tags. And then this opens and we've got a couple more little flip folios where you can add small photos. And of course you can always put more photos in the pockets. Our little gnome mobile, and here's the back. Then we have a photo mat. And then just using up scraps, I made this little 3 1/4 belly band accordion. Super fun. So you can put a lot of little tiny photos in there. All right. And then over here is our side pocket with our monthly calendars. And we did something different this month. We dressed them up really cute. And you'll learn how to do that in the tutorial. So you can add dates here. You can put photos on the back. Really, I love the way these turned out. I don't know why I didn't think about doing it that way earlier, but you know, that's the fun thing about doing a big project like this. Quarter by quarter, as you get new ideas with each quarter. So there it is. It fits in the box. If you've been with me all year working on these, I'd like to thank you. You can order this now at the Button Farm Club. I believe they still have 1, 2, and 3/4 kits available. So if you want to get in on the action, it's not too late. And I'll put the link in the description box below where you can order. All right, guys, thanks so much. Kathy Clement, Kathy by Design. Go get your craft on.